Welcome to Android tutorial, and today topic is dynamic broadcast. And previous tutorial discussed about the dynamic broadcast. It is continued to that tutorial, and we stopped that we got app got crashed here because I not implemented in this third receiver. I need to print that it is executing that on receiver, third receiver. So I am giving this is giving this to Unisys, and my receiver 3. So I am executing now. It should execute in the order of, see here, priority is first is 1 and second is 3, and that is third receiver, and it should display why it is saying no changes display. I am just running it now. Restart the app, and it should run and give us that results. This has happened again. Executed this, and it's not working. Still the changes is not deployed over there. That's why it is not taking this statement now. So hope it will destroy now. Just deploy the changes, then it will run should fine. It's not running. Yeah, it's running now. It's running now, and if you see this, Unisys, see here, order. Receiver 1 and receiver 3 and receiver 2. And order in order. So when receiver 1 completes, I am doing something, depends on functionality what it does, and it carries to the 3, and then after completing that and receiver 2, because when you have some business logic which is depend on 1, then only 3 should run. When 3 can call one service, receiver 1 can call service, receiver 2 can call service, do some database operations. Now receiver 1 is dependent on receiver 3, so I should trigger first 1, then 3, then 2. For that requirement it is useful. And next is sticky broadcast intent. Sticky broadcast intent is, say, when, see, it is deprecated because when send with sticky broadcast intent, after receivers receive this message, and this message has been delivered, after that this is no longer active. This broadcast message is no longer will be active, and no other apps can receive this broadcast message after this time. When I am sending it, and it receives by the all apps, and that's it, fine. Then once it is delivered to all apps, then this broadcast message is no longer available for the sender broadcast when using send broadcast or send order broadcast. But when you use send sticky broadcast, even if it is delivered to the all apps with the same intent filter, it will floats in the system so that whenever apps required, they can take that intent. So this is the security issues related to the security issues. So it's not better to send sticky broadcast because it floats in the system, and it can be taken whenever they want, and it might be the issue of the private data, so and remaining in system for the long time. So don't take this send sticky broadcast. So it's the end of the session now. Now I completed, and it's the end of the section now, and let's see next discussion.